Hi guys, welcome back to the video. Now in this very video, I'm going to teach you what you should do every single morning to make $200 every single day trading. Right? Now if you're able to do everything I'm going to teach you in this very video, you're going to be making at least $200 every single day from the Forex market, crypto market, or the stock market. It's going to be a step-by-step plan. I'm going to teach you the strategy you should use, how much you should put into the trade, and how you should go about it. Right? I'm going to teach you everything you're going to know to make this 250 bucks. Right? Now, if you notice my charts, I took over I took about 3 Bitcoin trades, and this trade hits full take profit. Now, if you notice this one, I'm currently on this trade this morning, and it's currently running in profit. Now, the time is currently at 8:16 a.m. So it's clearly in the morning, right? And this strategy I'm about to teach you will make you profit for a very long time. Right? Now, let's get started. The first thing you're going to do early in the morning is to head on to your chart. Right? On your chart, you want to choose the pair you want to trade for that day. Right? If you want to trade a crypto pair, what pair will I be trading? If you want to trade a Forex pair, what pair will I be trading? Right? You choose the pair you want to trade for that very day. Right? Let's say I want to trade a crypto pair. I'm going to head on and then choose a crypto pair I want to trade. So if you notice, I just head on to this my chart right here. I did this analysis and I sent the signal straight to my Discord. I sent the signal straight to my Discord, and we're currently in some crazy profits. You can easily see this for yourself. Right? We're currently in some crazy profits. So that's by the way, the Discord link will be in the description. So join the Discord if you want to join. Now, how do you go about this? Early in the morning, once you wake up, the first thing you should do is to head on to your dollar index. Now, what exactly is this dollar index? This dollar index is simply the value of the dollar, right? It's simply the economic state of the dollar, right? Now, as a trader, you might be trading the Forex pair, which is you can be trading the Euro USD, GBP USD, the Gold USD. If you're trading crypto, you're trading BTC USD or other crypto pair. If you're trading the Forex, the stock market, maybe the S&P 500, the Tesla, Nvidia. So those are currency pair you should be trading. And now, what this dollar index do is it's going to show you the strength of the dollar. Now, if you don't understand what I'm about to say now, if you haven't still understand this yet, then you should go and learn more about trading. Now, all currency pair like the BTC USD. Let me use this BTC USD as an example. All of this currency pair like this BTC USD. What does this mean? What does all of this currency mean? If you are saying BTC USD, it means, right? If you are saying BTC price going up, it means that the dollar price is going down, so the BTC price is going up. Here's what I mean. Right? If a market is pumping, if your gold USD is pumping, if your gold price is pumping, it means the US dollar value is decreasing. That's why the gold price is pumping. And if your BTC price is pumping, it means the US dollar value is decreasing. That's why your BTC price is pumping. I don't know if you are getting it. Why? If your BTC price is dumping, that means your US dollar is getting value and the US dollar is going up, is pumping. That's why the BTC price is dumping. What does it mean? It means you can now buy more BTC with the US dollar. You can now purchase more BTC with the US dollar. If the BTC price is going up, it means you can now buy more US dollar with the BTC. All currency pair works that way. If you are trading GBP JPY and the GBP JPY price is going up, it means the JPY price, the Japanese yen price is going down. That's why the GBP JPY is going up. Why? If the GBP JPY is going down, it means the Japanese price is going up and the GBP price is going down. Right? That's just simply, these are basics of trading you should know by now. Right? And by the way, I have a mentorship program where I teach students how to trade the market, the forex market, stock market, crypto market. Right? I teach you how to trade and how to do your analysis, how to manage your risk, and how to control your psychology. Right? I teach you everything I personally know about trading. Right? I've been to different mentorship programs. I've learned so many things about trading. I have so many years of experience. So if I teach you, trust me, you're gonna be good. Right? To join the mentorship program, if you're interested, there's a link in the description. Just click on the link and you are going to go over and join. So I know how hard the economic is. If you're currently in Nigeria, trust me, I know how hard it is. So that's why I have to reduce the mentorship program fee to as low as $10 for 1 month. $10 for 1 month, right? That's just it. You notice it's as cheap as any other thing. So that's by the way. That's by the way. So let's get to what we're saying. What did I say? If the dollar index now, to know if this value is going down or going up, we use the US dollar index. For your trading view, just head on to the search bar and then you add up the US dollar index to your chart. What is this going to tell you? This is going to tell you the current strength of the US dollar. What did I say? If the strength of the US dollar, if the current strength of the US dollar is going up, if the US dollar is currently having strength and is going up, what does it mean? It means all other currency pair will start going down. Why? Because the dollar index is pumping. This is one thing you should do every single morning to know what to do, to know the trade you should take. Now, if the US dollar is going down, it means the US dollar value, right, is going down. What does that mean? It means all other currency paired with the US dollar, not every other currency, only those paired with the US dollar will start pumping, right? As a trader, you should know the direction of this of this dollar index. Now, how do you know the direction? You can know the direction by either marking out your key levels. Currently now I have a key level right here. So currently now, clearly looking at this now, this is my target for this US dollar. I'm targeting that the US dollar is going to get here and pull up. That's my target for this US dollar index. What does that mean? Since I'm predicting that the US dollar is going to go down, what did I do? Notice my Bitcoin chart. Just notice it. What did I do? I took a long on BTC. Did you notice what I did? So that's the first thing I did every single morning, or I do every single morning. And if you notice, this trade is already running some crazy pips. Let me zoom in so you can see it. You notice this trade is already running some crazy pips in profit. Can you see it for yourself? I took this trade this very morning. It's already done. This is just live trading. I'm going to teach you the strategy I used. But this is the first step. As a trader, you should check the dollar index and know the direction of this dollar index. Then with this, you can now trade your gold, your stock, your other pair. If you notice, the dollar index is currently going down. Let me show you guys this little secret. The dollar index is currently going down. You can see this red candle forming. That means the dollar index is currently bleeding. It's currently going down right here. This red recent candle forming. Now, if I go to the BTC pair, if I go to the BTC chart, just notice BTC. BTC now is currently pumping. Did you notice it? Now, if I go to a stock, this is S&P 500. S&P 500 is currently pumping. Now, let's go to gold or any other Forex pair with the US dollar. So let's go to a Forex pair. Right? Any pair with the US dollar will be pumping. Why? Because the dollar index is going down. Let's go to gold this morning. Let's see what gold is doing. Boom. Are you seeing it? Gold is usually pumping. GBP. What's GBP doing? GBP is also going up. Recent candle. GBP USD still going up. But this is not going to affect GBP JPY. If you notice, GBP JPY is still currently bleeding. It's not going to affect it. Why? Because the GBP JPY is not a what? A US dollar pair. Right? Now, also guys, if you notice my gold, I took a trade on gold. You can see this first sale. And this trade smashed full take profit. This is about 1,400 pips. Are you seeing it? 1,400 pips. So anything I'm teaching, always make sure you are learning it. Right? If you're not able to pay for the mentorship program, always come around to this very YouTube channel and watch the video. Everything I'm teaching here on this YouTube is for free. And my mentorship program, Learn More. Right? We hold live session. I did this analysis and I sent the signal straight to my mentorship students. You don't pay for signals, you get signals for free. Now imagine you cost this 1,400 pips. Just calculate. For those who know how to trade the forex market, just know how much this is. With this, with just this trade now, you've already made the money you paid for the mentorship program. You've already made it back. I guess that's it. Now, what strategy did I use to take this very BTC trade? My dollar index alone is not enough for me to take a trade. Trust me, the dollar index alone is not enough for me to take a trade on BTC. Now, what else? What are the extra confirmation I am going to see before taking a trade. Now, what I then do, once I see the direction of my dollar index, what I then do is I want to see that the BTC or the price of any market has swept liquidity. What do I mean by that? Right now, at this area now, let me zoom in so you guys can start seeing what I'm saying. So at this area currently, I'm currently seeing some sort of double bottom right here. Now, a double bottom has liquidity. If you don't know that, that's why I would recommend you join my students, right? My students already know a double bottom is a liquidity. It has liquidity. People are going to long anytime the price is going to be back there. So it has liquidity. What am I going to do? I'm going to make sure that the price has gone down to sweat the liquidity, to sweep the liquidity below that very bottom. We have a pullback right here, then a pull up, a pullback down again, double bottom. I mark it out as a liquidity area, as a liquidity level. What am I expecting the price of the market to do? If I'm trading the gold, is the same thing. I'm expecting the price to pull back down, grab, sweep out all of this liquidity, hitting everybody's stop loss. Once it's now reversing, then I get into some sort of long trade. Then where's my target? Target the next key high, right? So this is a simple strategy. Target the next key high. I want to see that the price has swept liquidity. Then I want to also know the direction my dollar index is heading. I guess you've gotten the strategy. It's a simple price action strategy, right? Now, the next thing to actually make $200 every day is your risk to reward ratio. And now, how much are you going to be risking to make $250? Is it depends on your risk to reward ratio. I can't tell you the amount, right? It depends on your risk to reward ratio. Let's say on this very trade now, if I click on it, you're gonna see this. This is like a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. I believe you have seen it. Now this is about 4 pips. This is about 4,000 pips, right? Let's say this is about 4 pips. Let's abbreviate it. Let's say 4 pips to make 15 pips. Are you seeing it? This is like a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. Now, with this trade now, how much should I put into this trade to make $200 today? To make $200 today on this trade, how much should I put in? Now let's do this. 200 bucks, 200 bucks divided by 3. Remember, this is like a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. How much should I put into this very trade? Let's open my calculator. Let's see what it's gonna show. Right? 250 bucks times 3. Now I clearly know that if I'm gonna be using 150 bucks, right? If I'm gonna be making $250 today, I'm gonna risk just $50 to make that. Right? If I'm gonna be making $150 today, I'm gonna just put in $50 as my stop loss, then my target $150. If the trade hits full take profit, I'm already making 150 bucks. But I want to make 200 bucks. So let's see how much should I put into this very trade to make my 200 bucks today, right? So let's go. So it's because of this very video I didn't send this signal straight to my Discord. Because of this very video, right? Because of this very video I didn't send the signal straight to my Discord. Most of the time I send the signal, I do send the signal straight to my Discord. So 250 bucks now divided by 3 equal to, this is about 66, or let's say $67. I just need to put in $67 into this very trade to make $200 today. Can you imagine that? Just $67, I'm about to make $200. That's like a times 3 of my money. Now, this is like a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. How do you know if it's a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio? You're gonna see this red button right here. This is the stop loss level. Then this huge red one, this huge green one is a take profit level. What does it mean? It means if the trade is running in this green box, it means you are in profit. And if the trade is going in this red one, it means you're gonna be in loss. Right? Now, what does this mean? This red one is like times 3 of this green one. Right? This red one is like times 3 of this green one. What does that mean? It means I'm risking 1 to make 3%. Now, if you can't use that this box to actually know it, if you can't use the box to know it, here's what you're gonna then use, right? You can click on the long position tool, and it's gonna show you at this middle right here. It's gonna show you the percentage you're gonna lose on this very trade. I believe I've seen this middle right here, this bracket, It's going to show you the percentage you're going to lose. Now, if you notice at this top right here, it's going to show you the percentage you're going to make. If you notice, this percentage I'm about to lose now is about 0.86. Then the percentage I'm about to make now is about 2.75. What does that mean? It means I'm risking 0.86% to make 2.5%, 2.75%. If you go back to calculator and let's do that, right? You're going to notice that this is up to 1 to 3. This percentage is up to 1% to about 3% if you use your calculator. So that's simply the second way. The first way is a strategy. The second way is your risk to reward ratio. Then the final way to actually build this is not to trade with your whole trading account, right? If you're going to be trading, if you're having, let's say if you're having $100 trading account, if you're having $100 trading account and you're about to take a trade today, don't risk the whole $100. Even if you want to make $200 today, trust me, you don't have to make the $200 today. Don't risk the whole of your account. Use nothing more than 30 bucks. That's if you're going to risk more. My students, if you are my student and you're watching this, I will always tell you, don't risk more than $20. Don't risk. I've already taught my students how to grow their accounts. Don't risk more than $20 if you are my student. Why? If you're gonna risk more, if you're also here watching, you can also risk 20 bucks. But me, you notice me personally, I do take risk. So me myself, I risk about 30 bucks from my $100 trading account. Me personally. But my students risk $20 on the trade. Right? If you risk $20 on this very trade, now let's say you're having a $100 account. If you risk $20 on this trade, now what does that mean? If you trade hit your stop loss, $20 will be removed from your account. You're gonna lose 20 bucks, right? You're now up 80 bucks on your trading account. You're now up 80 bucks. Now, if you take this very trade and you make full take profit on this very market, it means you are risking 20 bucks now, and my risk to reward ratio is about 3. It means I'm gonna make 60 bucks on this very trade. What does that mean? It means if trade hit my stop loss, I'll be losing 20 bucks, and 20 bucks will be leaving my account. I will now be left with 80 bucks. This is the worst case scenario. This is the worst that can happen. 80 bucks will not be left in my account. Why? If I make full take profit, I'm gonna be up 160 bucks. I'm making profits, right? I hope you are noticing it. So if I have $1,000 now, I should be risking $200 on this trade. If I have $10,000, I should be risking nothing more than $2,000 on this very trade. So risk is also very, very important indeed. Right now, with everything I've taught you, if you're able to actually master it, trust me, you're gonna make you're gonna make profit the way I'm making profit. Right now, in the game of trading, you should be proud of yourself. Right, as a trader, you should be proud of yourself. You should know that trading is gonna be long term. Right, don't expect to get into trading today and by the end of the year or by the end of the month, you're already becoming profitable. You're already making so much money. It's not going to be possible. Trust me. Right? I'm telling you from experience. Right? It's not going to be possible. Trading is a long term. Just gradually build up yourself, gradually learn, always practice. Right? And you're going to become profitable. Trust me. Now, people are the trading industry, only the forex trading industry transacts over $7 trillion every single day. Only the forex industry. The crypto industry transacts over $2 billion every single day. So you are in a business or you are in a game of so much money. You are in a game, you are into a system where you have so much money inflow. If you are working under a company, just check how much is your monthly income, how much is your company monthly revenue. You're gonna notice trading's daily revenue is more than your company's monthly revenue. So you should be proud of yourself that you are into this trading of a thing. And you should give it time, and you should always consistently learn. If you stop learning, then me myself, I still go over and still learn. I'm not all good yet, but I'm actually doing well for myself, but I'm not all good yet. So I still go over and still learn every single day. Why? Because I want to be more better. So if you actually develop that mindset of learning every single day, managing your risk well, practicing, and avoiding thinking about the money yet. Don't think about making so much money yet. As time goes on, you're gonna make so much money. But for now, just focus on learning and building yourself, right? That should be your main focus for now, right? So that's all. If you're able to actually do everything I've said, you're gonna make so much profit every single day. You're even gonna make more than $250, $200 every day. You're gonna make more than $200. Trust me, if you're able to actually master everything I've taught you, everything I've told you in this very video, right? So if you appreciate the video, right, the video was helpful, don't forget, like the video and subscribe. If you're interested, go join my students and get paid, right? It's a very cheap mentorship program. I teach students how to trade, right? So that's all, and I will see you all in my very next video. I believe the video was helpful, or did I just wasted your time? Let me know in the comment section. Let me know if the video was helpful or I just wasted about 20 minutes of your time. Let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you all in my very next video.